In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate series of numbers in Excel. Okay, instead of typing 1, then you go 2, 3. Okay, it's going to take a long time to get to the, especially if you have large series of number to enter. So one way you can do that, generate series of number, is you type in 1, and here you type in 2, then you go up there, select, click by the fill handle and drag through to the point where you want. Okay, I can drag all through to even 100,000 or thereabouts. So let me stop at 30. So it fills it at a go. Can you see, from 1 to 30? Okay, that's one way you can do it. Now another way you can fill in series of number is you type in 1 in that cell A1. Now you go to Home tab, over to where you have a dating group. Now click by the fill button, click the more arrow, choose the series. Now the dialog box comes out. Okay, so you can see here in the series, series in, if we want to fill in the numbers horizontally, then we leave it at the rows. Okay, but we want it vertically, so I'm going to choose columns. Okay, now in this point, in this box, it says step value. It means at what increment do you want these numbers to be. So I want it to increase by 1, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, like that. So stop value, I want to stop at 100. all right, depending the number series you want to create, you can create up to 10,000 and thereabouts. So I want to stop at 100, so I'll click on the OK button. So you can see I've created my series up to 100. Another way you can fill in series of number is you press down you type in 1 at the point where you want to start. Now you press down your control key, click by the fill handle, right click, hold, and then drag through to the point where you want to stop. So let me stop at 17. Okay, you can see we have 1, 2 to 17. Another way you can generate series of number is to, you can see currently, just to zoom this a little bit. All right, so in A1 I have my 1, so I click in A2. Now press my equal sign, type in A1, which is the cell address there, plus 1. So I'll press my enter key. You can see the formula there. Now this formula changes depending the cell address you're starting from. So I'll press the enter key. Now I have a 2. So what I will now do is click, hold the fill handle. Now drag to the point where I want to stop. I can drag up to 1 million cells. It's just going to produce the series there, but I'm stopping at 16. So you can see. Okay, those are the easiest way to generate series of numbers in Excel, and I'll see you in my next video.